Good morning, everyone. This is Mindset Successful Coach Lottie and today is September the 24th, 2020. Yesterday, I told myself I was going to make a few videos for some of the group members, but guys, coming off a 12-hour shift, I was able to make one video yesterday, but I've slept the whole afternoon and I just woke up right now and it's 6:30 in the morning, and I wanted to make this video and show some of the group with the Wesley Virgins monetization program how to upload a video on YouTube. Yesterday I did accomplish some things. I made a video. I participated in a group twice yesterday, and I did change my YouTube channel art. I love the last one, but I don't know. I wanted to make one that said, "Let's go, team." And I love changing it once in a while. I can't keep it the same. I don't know. I'm just changing content on my YouTube channel all the time. So I just like it to be exciting, and I just wanted to change from time to time. So I wanted to share everybody this video here that you see Forever Broke. This is actually the top video right now. As you can see, my views are just going higher and higher. And if you take a look at the past days in my channel, it wasn't so high, so now it's high. All right, guys, let me get back to business, and this is Chrissy. She posted something here, so I need to see this corner. Okay, all right. So, guys, it's really easy to upload a video. And if you have a video on file, I'm going to show you how I do it on a computer. I just want to make this video real quick. You guys have to actually learn to do this yourself. So I'm just going to make it simple so that you guys can understand. All right. Up here in this corner, you're going to see this little camera. Okay. When you see this little camera, you can upload. This is where you're going to upload your videos. You're going to hit this, and then you're going to see this right here. You can actually drag your file in here, or this is what I do. I just select a file from my computer. So when you hit that, it's automatically going to open all your files. And let me see, I'm going to go to my videos. I have a lot of videos. Let me see. I use Mojave editor to make my videos, guys. But I'll make another video on that, but I'm trying to open this one. Okay. Let's see which video I want to upload. Okay, for this review, I am going to upload now there's one that I have not uploaded. I will upload this one. Okay, this is one of Wesley's videos. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go down to the corner, hit open, and it's automatically going to upload Wesley Virgin's video. I don't think I have this one on my channel. Okay, so I am going to erase the V downloader because I use V downloader. That's a software where I download YouTube videos off the YouTube channel. That's what I meant. And you're gonna hit next. Let me move this down. You're gonna hit next. Okay, and it says 7 minutes to upload. I'm gonna hit next. set it on public, and you just publish it. And actually, guys, this is actually uploading your video right now. See, it's telling me it's going to take 6 minutes to upload. All right, that's how you upload a video off your computer. All right, let me just bear with me while it uploads. Sometimes it takes like 2 to 10 minutes to upload a video. It's just depending on the size of your video, because a few times I've had videos I have uploaded, it took like 3 hours. And those are usually the meditation videos. The videos that are longer than an hour, they usually take more time to upload. My computer is not very fast, so it's kind of average, and it goes in and out, and sometimes I get frustrated about it, but you know what? I just go with the flow, and I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful for today. I'm grateful I have a computer. I'm grateful I am breathing. I'm grateful for a place to stay. I'm grateful for all the little things I have, and I'm just happy right now. And after I make this video, I'm gonna go do a quick 15-minute, 20-minute, maybe a half an hour meditation and meditate, because I need to get into my meditation, into my subconscious, and start training my mindset to have a mind of a millionaire. So that's what I am. I'm a millionaire mentor. I help people, and one day I'm going to be helping more people. Not only that, I'm going to be able to teach the things I enjoy, like crocheting and sewing, and I just see it. I see the picture of myself already with my children in my nice new home, and all my 3 daughters have a sewing machine, and we actually, I was dreaming this the other day that we were actually sewing a pillow, and we had a teacher. I actually hired a seamstress, and we were having so much fun. I could see us in a table cutting our material. We were just laughing and giggling, and it was just, I just see it. I feel it. And it was exciting. And, oh gosh, I can't imagine. I was also going into more detail, because I actually was teaching them how to crochet, and they were helping me making, my girls were helping me make amigurumi animals. I love to crochet, but they really haven't had the time. I wanted to teach them when they were young, but they just never had the time. They were just active all the time, and I would help them when they were young to start, but then they quit. And now they're at the age, they're 30 years old. They're in the 30s now, all 3 girls, and they want to learn how to crochet. So I kept telling them, you could have learned when you were young, but now they love what I do. They see my crafts, and they want to do it, but now they're raising kids. So it's never too late, guys. It's never too late to teach your children your talents, your gifts, and that's exactly what I'm going to do when I'm financially free. I'm going to be able to spend time with my family, go on vacations and all this stuff, and take my husband. We're going to go on a cruise. I'm going to take my whole family to a Hawaiian cruise, go back to Hawaii. Guys, I was born in Hawaii, in Maui, and so I haven't seen my relatives there, but I see them on Facebook. I know there's changes has happened, because the last time I was there, I was 18. So it probably looks like a city now. I don't know how Hawaii looks like, but I bet it's so beautiful. It's the same, but at the same time, the cost of living is very high. but I would love to go back one day. That's one of my I'm just imagining it and feeling it. I see the palm trees. I see all my grandkids around me when we're just having fun on the beach, and we're all laying on the sand, with our beach chairs, and I'm just imagining and feeling the atmosphere. And I remember when I was 18, I laid out in the sun, and I got all my skin was all peeled because of the tan. I didn't put no suntan lotion, and I only laid in the sun for 20 minutes, and I got burnt. Guys, I got really burnt really bad, and my skin started peeling everywhere, and I was like, I can imagine that feeling. And I actually was feeling that at that very moment, talking to my kids while I'm in my subconscious mind and telling them, hey, give me some of that suntan lotion. I gotta put that on me. I don't want to get all burnt. I don't want to get all peeled, because that's what happened to the last time. And everybody was just cracking up, and everybody was just laughing. And gosh, I can just imagine it right now. And I see my dog running, and I see my dog Gigi, never been in the sand, never been in a at the beach that's tropical. I mean, this dog I have has been through snow. She loves the snow, and then she's never been to California, so she's traveled a lot of places. I reside right now in California, but now, when we start traveling, she's gonna go all over the world, because it's incredible when you start sitting down and meditating, just meditating on what you feel and picture, and you have to include that and believe and really feel it and believe it, and that's when the manifestation is gonna take place. Okay, all right, so let me stop. It's already completed. I know I've talked a while, but I wanted to take a while for this video to upload. It took a few minutes. It's still processing. See how long it's taking. All right. Okay, guys, this is actually how you upload your video. See, and let's go and see it. And here it is.
Hey guys, hey, what's going on?
Millionaire Mind Hacks. 3 habits that you must do to have success. Always like your own video. And go back and edit. Always leave one comment too. All right, you go here to your playlist. Make sure you pick 2 playlists. Oh, let it load for a little bit. Done. 1 end screen card. So you're gonna pick 1 end screen card. I'm gonna put a playlist and pick one of my playlists. Which one I want? Let's see. I'll just play Fifth Harmony and save, and then pick 1 card, and that one will be a video, and that video I choose, it will be let's see, I'll pick a good video. This one, Wesley Virgins. Attract success and slow down. Then save. And then go back and review your video.
Hey guys, hey, what's going on?
Now this video is going to be 40 minutes long.
Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin here.
And team, this is how you can get your watch time hours in.
I'm always talking about these mind hacks, because understand something.
Okay, I have them on pause, but I always like I'm gonna put this is my mentor. and I actually posted there. And get excited, guys. But that's how you upload a video, okay? All right. I'm gonna make this short, and guys, get excited because it's really easy to upload a video.